Today I'll be demonstrating how to replace a BIOS battery and reset the BIOS settings on a RheoVac system. They are lithium batteries and have a 10-year lifespan. To run through this, you will need to have a battery already, or if you don't have one, you can contact us for one. Other equipment needed would be a flathead screwdriver, a VGA monitor with a VGA cable, a USB mouse, USB keyboard. First, you're going to remove all 6 clamps from the lid and open the lid. First, you will disconnect the dead battery with a small screwdriver and push the loose wires out of the way. Then install the new battery and secure it with a zip tie. The USB mouse and keyboard can be plugged into either one of the open USB ports here on the right. And the VGA cable is plugged in here on the top board. Once everything is connected, apply power here. On your keyboard, hit the delete key to enter the BIOS setup. Once the BIOS screen opens, go down to the second tab, Advanced BIOS Features, hit enter. You want to set all 3 boot devices to HDD0. Hit escape. Scroll down to the third tab, Advanced Chipset Features, press enter. Memory frequency should be 166 megahertz. Verify video memory size is 8 meg, and output display is set to CRT. Hit escape. Go down to the fourth tab, Integrated Peripherals, hit enter. Scroll down to Floppy Drive Controller, press enter, set it to Disable. Go down to COM2 setting and put it on RS485. Hit escape and then F10 to save and exit. The next step would be to reset your time and date, and now you're good for another 10 years. Thanks for watching.